Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we'll learn about Instagram application, and I would like to show you the way how you can repost someone Instagram story into your account. Open your Instagram application, and the next thing you need to do is just make sure that you stay in the home sections here. So you can only repost someone else's Instagram whenever you got mentioned or tagged by those account. So how to access those? You just need to take a look on this top side. That will be like a DM icon. Just go click it, and then whenever someone mention you in their story, that will be like shown here, mentioned you in their story. Go click it, and you just need to check what story that you are taken in, and whenever you want to repost it, go click add to your story, and you already have the access to edit this story. Go tap it so that those picture will be like fulfilling all of the screen. You can also add several edit, go by exploring the features of the Instagram itself, and whenever you're done, you just need to place it and add to your story. And now the story is already reposted into your account. Just need to go back and check into your story. So you'll see it's already added. So that is the way how you can repost some Instagram story on your account. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.